guys, welcome to our channel Azra and Afra in Wonderland. Today we are going to make Veg Spring Roll. So let's get cooking. 2 cups of Maida, black seeds, salt as taste, 2 tablespoons of oil. Add water gradually and mix well. Make it soft dough. Apply flour and roll dough into cylinder shape. Cut into small pieces. Roll 2 small rounds. Pour oil and apply flour. Roll the dough again. Slightly heat aside for 30 seconds. Remove the round like shown. Dust flour. Cut into square shape like shown. Now our sheets are ready. Pour oil, cumin seeds, garlic chopped, onions chopped, carrot chopped, capsicum chopped, cabbage half cup, salt as per taste, little pepper, chilli flakes half teaspoon, turmeric 1/3 teaspoon, soya sauce 1 teaspoon, chopped coriander. The masala is ready. Roll tightly. Maida and water mixture. take out. Now our yummy spring roll is ready. It was so delicious, crispy and so yummy. Try it in your home, you will surely like it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, ring the bell for receiving notification. Bye!